Welcome to the AI landscape, where today's most powerful minds are reshaping our world. Let's meet the key players. First up is Claude. Think of it as the ultimate scholar. With its incredible capacity for deep reasoning and logic, Claude can digest massive amounts of information, analyze complex documents, and have truly thoughtful conversations. It's like having a brilliant research assistant at your fingertips, ready to tackle any intellectual challenge. Next, we have Gemini, the master of versatility. What makes Gemini so special is its multimodal understanding. It doesn't just process text, it sees images, hears audio, and understands video. This ability to seamlessly blend different types of information allows it to handle incredibly creative and complex tasks like never before. And finally, meet Copilot, the coding virtuoso. For developers, this is a game changer. Copilot excels at code generation, acting as your programming partner. It can suggest lines of code, complete entire functions, and even help you debug, dramatically speeding up the development process. Together, Claude, Gemini, and Copilot represent a new era of artificial intelligence, each with unique strengths, creating a diverse and powerful ecosystem. Thanks for watching.